Knitter. This video is to give you a quick tutorial around the NobleKnits courses. Now, you can access the courses from two places on every single page of the NobleKnits site. So here on NobleKnits, you'll see right here at the top, there's a link that says courses. You could click on that, or you could scroll all the way down to any page and click on this button that says online courses. So I'm going to click on that. And now it takes me to the NobleKnits course page. You'll see all of the courses are here. Now this page we're in is the entry page. You'll be able to sign on here, but it gives you an overview of all of the courses, what the courses are about, and you can purchase courses from this section. But to sign in, if you've already purchased a course, you're going to click Sign In here in the right-hand corner. And then you'll sign in using the information that you provided when you purchased the course. Now, here I am in the dashboard, and it gives me all of the courses that I've signed up for. And here I'm in the shawl knitting course, and it gives me my progress. This See Overview takes you back to the overview page of the course itself, but to resume the course or to even start the course, you're going to click right here. So I'm going to click Resume Course. And now it takes me back into the actual course. And you can see up here, I'm in the Shawl Boot Camp, and it's going to start the video right where I left off. But see this little 3 bar, it's called a hamburger? Click on this little hamburger and it gives you a full layout of all of the course lessons and chapters. So you can see here I've finished the intro of Shawl Boot Camp, the welcome, materials, and survey. And now I'm into Shawl Basics, which is the Longtail Cast on, and I can click around. I don't have to follow this. If I feel like I don't want to watch the basics right now, I can skip ahead and start right in on the shawl project. And you'll see important information is given in the text area. Like for each class, you'll get the materials that you need, and you'll also get, if there's a pattern available, you'll get a PDF pattern. And you can see here, it says PDF, and there's a little picture of the PDF. Click on that and your PDF pattern will pop up. And then you go over here to the right and click this little box and down arrow to download it and print it from your computer. When you're finished with one, you'll just hit Complete and Continue at the bottom. And then it will take you to the next lesson in the course. So, like I said, you don't have to watch this. You could skip around if you want. The only thing is that some of the courses, for example, this shawl course in particular, the lessons or chapters are released one project at a time. So you can only go as far as the lesson, the course will let you for that week. So we are in week 2 right now, so I cannot yet go on to week 3. If I try, click on that, it'll tell me when I'm going to be able to access that. So I have to wait a few days on this one. But for the most part, you can go through all of the lessons that you have access to and move through the course at your own pace. You'll be able to access these lessons at any time. You don't have to follow an order. And I really hope you take advantage of the discussion areas too. In fact, let me just go back to the Shawl Basics, this Longtail Cast on. Now this one doesn't have a discussion, but there are some that have discussions, and you just create a new post, ask a question. If I didn't explain something clearly, you can just ask me right here in the discussion area and I'll reply. And you'll also be able to see what other people have asked. So you can see, for example, here we are in the triangle shawl tutorial, and there are 3 discussion questions. So people had questions about adding a new skein, dropping a stitch, yarn overs, and markers, and there's a number of questions and answers that go on over here. So I hope you enjoy this course. I've built it just for you, and I can't wait for you to get started. I'll see you in the course.